Welcome to our video on Chaldean Numerology. Chaldean Numerology is an ancient system of numerology that originated in the Chaldean Empire, which was located in what is now Iraq. It is known for its unique approach to numerology and is considered to be one of the oldest forms of numerology in existence. Unlike other forms of numerology, Chaldean numerology is based on the vibrational energy of numbers. This means that Chaldean numerologists believe that each number has a unique energy and vibration that can affect a person's life. They also believe that the numbers in a person's name and birth date can reveal important information about their personality, strengths, and weaknesses. The Chaldean Empire was known for its advanced knowledge of mathematics and astronomy, and this knowledge was heavily incorporated into their numerology system. Chaldean numerologists also use numerology to predict events and make important decisions, much like the Babylonians did. Chaldean numerology is based on the belief that there are only 8 core numbers, each with its own unique energy and vibration. The numbers 9, 11, and 22 are not used in Chaldean numerology. Unlike other forms of numerology, Chaldean numerology is often used for self-discovery and personal growth. It can also be used to gain insight into relationships, career choices, and other important life decisions. Some people even believe that understanding their Chaldean numerology chart can help them make positive changes in their life and achieve their goals. Thank you for watching our video on Chaldean numerology. We hope you enjoyed learning about this ancient and unique form of numerology. Whether you are new to numerology or have been studying it for years, we hope this video has provided you with a deeper understanding and appreciation for Chaldean numerology.